Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you only use the most popular chatbots for basic questions and answers? Then it's time to discover the unique features that go beyond basic prompts. In this video, I will run you through the 3 best AI chatbots and the features you absolutely must try. Let's go. The first on the list, well, you guess it, is ChatGPT. You've probably heard of this one before, and you might even already be using it. It's the most popular and widely used chatbot, so that's no surprise. Since its initial release, ChatGPT has expanded to offer a variety of models with different capabilities to suit your needs. For example, GPT-4.0 can be used for data analysis, creative writing, code generation, and multimodal tasks involving text, images, and audio. If you want a lower cost and faster response for simple tasks like summarization or basic queries, then you can use GPT-4.0 Mini. Take a look at how I uploaded a single snippet and see how ChatGPT explains each line of syntax so competently. For those who find it challenging to refine prompts, consider using custom GPTs instead. With various categories such as writing, productivity, and lifestyle, you can easily find the one that you need. Custom GPTs come with predefined instructions, behavior, tone, and knowledge, so you don't have to repeat the setup or context every time. Similar to ChatGPT, Gemini is also designed to understand and generate across text, code, audio, images, and more. What makes it even more special, though, is that it is natively integrated with Google Docs, Gmail, Sheets, and other Google services. For instance, you can ask Gemini to write emails for you, suggest replies to emails you receive, or summarize email threads into short, easy-to-read text. You can also summarize Google Docs, ask questions based on the content, or even transcribe live meetings in Google Meet. Last but not least is Copilot. This is a great everyday AI companion, particularly for Windows users. And it truly is because it integrates seamlessly into your Windows environment. If you're using Microsoft Edge browser, you can summarize information or answer questions directly from web pages you visit, or for any other purpose you might use it for. This is particularly useful when reading a long article. What's more, Copilot can be used with the Outlook app to help you draft emails and reply to ongoing conversations. It also integrates with key Office applications such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This allows you to easily analyze large data sets, summarize comprehensive documents, generate content, and create visually appealing presentations. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.